Welcome back. This is James with Accurate Crime Reporter. This video comes to you from Milwaukee, and it involves a chase that ended with a death. A person named Taylor Arms on October 25th decided she was going to run from the police after they had turned on their flashing lights to pull her over. She went at such a high rate of speed that the police could not keep chase. It just got too dangerous, so they let her go. Farther up the road, she crashed. As you're going to see in the video, it got pretty bad. We'll come back and talk to it after.
Right through the stop sign. Hand me the mic. He's gonna blow right through it again. That's fucking reckless driving. He's gonna wait. He's gonna wait. Crashed. Get out of the car! 74696 in Marion. Oh, there's a baby in there. God damn it.
Status change accepted.
Smash that window over there. You guys need anything else?
As you can see, this chase ended in a horrific crash that cost the life of the front seat passenger. There was also a child in the back seat that suffered multiple injuries, including a broken femur and a bruised lung. I'm going to put a more detailed description down in the description. And if you have any comments, please put them in there. I'll also put a link to the original press release. And as always, I want to thank you for watching our videos. And please subscribe, share, and like. You take care now.